Hey, welcome back to your channel this evening. Tonight's blue chip stock is one of the bluest of the blue chip stocks. That's PepsiCo, or not PepsiCo, Procter Gamble, PG. One of the biggest players in the consumer goods market, and also consumable consumer goods. Okay, so don't panic with the stock price. We're all about dividends here nowadays. So hang in there. I got some unbelievable dividend news for Procter Gamble. Okay, so anyway, first two videos as always. First video stock charts, second video forecasts. And always before we get started, standard disclaimer does apply. This video is for educational purposes only, and it should not be used to make financial investment or trading decisions. That's all. If you like the video, click the like button. If you really like the video, share it with a friend. Okay, so you can see a pretty wide price rise. Of course, remember, dividends are based on revenue, not stock prices. So anyway, it's below the 200 moving average. MACD plot, a brief move up here, not a lot, but it does still be climbing a little bit. First and last close. Well, the good news is, looks like April's going to wind. The last closing price of April is going to be higher than the first closing price. Okay. Bollinger Band's a big swing down here from +2 to -2, moving along the bottom, kind of parallel. Now it's above now it's back up to the +2 standard deviation. Cumulative, look at this. Currently, it's down. Well, it's down like a -17% return over the last 12 months. If you invested $10,000 here, that's worth about $9,000 now. Drawdown, lots of negative drawdown, but of course, again, remember our dividends aren't based on. So anyway, as promised, let's take a look at this wild dividend ride of Procter & Gamble. Look at this. Procter & Gamble is the most storied dividend player. Is one of the most storied players on Wall Street. P&G has been paying dividends for 136 consecutive years since its incorporation in 1890, and it has increased its quarterly dividend for 70 consecutive years. That's unbelievable. Look, on April 26, P&G directors declared an increased quarterly dividend of $1.08 per share, which is 2.94. Now there you have the good news for Procter & Gamble. Okay.